You liking olives, huh?
That's my favorite.
Olives are your favorite?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, Dada.
Yeah.
Olives are my favorite.
Olives are your favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's my favorite. That's yummy.
Yeah? Is it yummy?
That's my favorite.
Ooh, nice. Daddy's favorite too.
Yeah. And Hudson's favorite.
And Hudson's favorite? Is
Yummy.
it Snuggly's favorite too?
Yeah. That's not the. Want some more cookie?
Sure. Careful on that chair, please.
Want some more cookie?
That's it. Get back in the middle. In the middle of the chair, please. There's olives all over the floor.
These others are cookies.
There's olives on Snuggly?
Yeah.
Oh well. We'll wash them.
You want them? I'm gonna wash you. Hey, Mama. I'm gonna wash cookie.
You're gonna wash
Help,
Snuggly?
Mama.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. I'll come over right now.
Hey, Mama, I gotta help you, Mama.
Okay. Listen, how old are you again?
I'm 2.
And how old am I?
You 2.
Okay. And how old is Harper?
Harper's 2. I'm 3.
Oh, you're 3?
Yeah, I'm 3.
Okay.
Hey, Mama,
Yes.
I'm all done.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
No,
Are
I
you-
want some. I want my quesadilla.
And
Okay.
rice and beans?
I want my wasabi bean. My quesadilla.
It's arroyos y frijoles.